Breaking enough for KB. I got one 2015-16 Panini Immaculate basketball hobby box live break. Good luck, man. Some big hits for you. Brasco, you're up after this. Let's hope so. Empty. See what we got. Starting off at a 99. 68 of 99, Chris Middleton for the Bucks. 68 of 99, Chris Middleton for Milwaukee. Next up, jersey swatch for the Pistons at a 99, Andre Drummond. Out of 99, Andre Drummond. Going back to Detroit right here. 64-75 dual jersey, Reggie Jackson. 64-75 dual jersey, Reggie Jackson. 4/99, Jay Crowder. 4/99, Jay Crowder for the Celtics. Okay. Card set ink, Andrew Bogut for the Warriors. Andrew Bogut auto. All right. No card anything times. We're going to end on a good one. 1/10, Kevin Durant. 1/10, KD with the Thunder. I've seen last card with the Thunder for a while. Yeah, last high end one with him for the Thunder. 1/10, Kevin Durant. Nice way to end it right there. 1/10, KD, Andrew Bogut redemption. Some nice jerseys in there. Thanks for the break, man. Yeah, nice way to end it, right?